I wanna buy some radio ad time. Whoa. So this is Radioland, huh? The infinite eternal, the waves through the ether fuzz roll on forever. Roar. Close that. Hi, I know what you're thinking. This is weird, huh? But I can handle it. You know? You're my fave. Me and Bubba, my little brother, we listen to you every night. Music is my life. You know, you're my fave. Too embarrassed to phone in my request. It's too disembodied, you know. But now that we're here in flesh and blood, I could maybe make a request and it'd still count, huh? Well, what about Iron Butterfly? You know, like In a Vida de Gata, baby. Oh, it's heavy. You know, I've never been to a radio station before. Do you think you could do me a tour, huh?
Tour?
E X I T. Exit. Oh, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Hey, what about my request? That lefty request record that you honked out today? I love that. What was it anyway? The Rambo 3 soundtrack? Could I play it again? Sure would like it. Hey, to a far out fan. Hey, what's in here?
Record vault.
Oh, where you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music's in there. Ow! He did it in my plate. Oh, my brain is burning. Non-flashback. Oh. Ow! Leatherface, you bitch! Oh! Look what you did to my Sonny Bono wig do! Oh, God damn, I can't believe it! You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover! You're gonna have to buy me a new plate cover, Leatherface! Oh! Oh, he's gonna send me back to the VA hospital with a dent in my plate! Well, at least you didn't mess me up. Dog wheel hunt! Get that bitch, Leatherface! Get that bitch! Dog wheel hunt! Humble pie! Hurry up, Leatherface! Hurry up! Get that bitch! Rain, 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 rain! Music is my life! Hey, lick my plate, you dog dick!
Look at little son of a bitch, get out of here!
Incoming mail! Get her, Bubba? Did you get that bitch? Oh. Look what you did to my plate, you bitch! You got her? Did you get her good? Slap me fire. I got one too! A bonus body! Whoa! Ooh. Giddy up! Peel that pig and slice him thick. That's my sweet meat. You gotta run for that money now. Chase that dollar. Gotta go fast to catch it.
You dumb baboons are too dumb to kill her. Maybe it cracked the main butane tank. It's up there. Go look at it.
It's what the public wants.
I don't want to hear that again.
It's Nomland. Nomland. Fire in the hole.
Go.
Nomland.
Shut up. Told you to go. Some kind of crazy booger just skits through here.
No, booger? How big?
Big crazy booger. That's all but, bro.
DJ, my fave. Bubba's been playing with her. Bubba likes her. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Bubba's got a girlfriend. Burn her like a rat.
Finish her.
Burn her like a rat.
Finish her now.
Burn her like a rat. Rat, rat. Burn her like a rat. A 1. And a 2. And a 3.
The Atlas rendering computer. He was the one and only. Drove Grandpa crazy seeing things done like. No, that's all right. That's all right. It'd be over soon. Get the hammer. The crunch.
Right, let's get on with it. Bingo!
Get that tub. Just like going home.
No, please help me. No.
Here comes the judge! Here comes the judge! You on, Grandma, you're the best!
Oh, I get it. The old pressure game, huh?
You hog bitch! Ow. Look! It's like death eating a cracker, isn't it? Huh? Huh? No! Get away from her! Get away! Yow! Don't touch her! No! Grandma! Grandma! You killed her, you hog